work 4 examples with you on solving equations with variables on both sides. And so just like yesterday, we want to get the variables on the same side of the equation. It doesn't matter if you bring the variables to the left side or to the right side, but you can do it either way. It's just whatever you feel comfortable with. I like to keep my variable positive. So if you look at this first example, 6k minus 3 equals 2k plus 13. Since 2 is smaller than 6, I'm going to eliminate the 2k from the right side by subtracting it. So I'm going to do the same thing to both sides. So the 2k's cancel out. 6k minus 2k would be 4k minus 3 equals 13. And then now that you have the k, the variable on one side, you want to move your constant terms to the other side. So to get rid of the minus 3, we're going to do plus 3 here. The 3's cancel out. 13 plus 3 is 16. So you have 4k equals 16. And then since this is multiplication, 4 times k, we're going to divide to cancel out the 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, so k equals 4. Okay, let's look at this next example over here. There you go. Okay, negative 9m plus 7 equals 3m minus 5. So on this one, since my 9 is negative, I'm going to add this over to cancel it out. That would cancel out the 9m's, and then I'm left with, whoops, I don't know what it's doing. Stop that. You're left with 7 equals, and then 3m plus 9m is 12m, and you still have the minus 5. So this time you have, again, let me move this over so you can see everything. You have the 12m on the right side of the equation, so we're going to leave the variable on that side and we're going to move the constant term that's on that side, the minus 5. So we're going to do plus 5 and bring it over here with the 7. So you got to combine your constant terms. 7 plus 5 is 12, so you have 12m equals 12, and then you're going to divide by the coefficient, which is the 12, to get the m by itself. So 12 divided by 12 is 1, so m equals 1. Okay, so now throw in some with decimals. And I have my calculator out here, so I want to make sure y'all know how to use that if you need it. So again, I have 0.4n minus 9 equals 7 minus 0.6n. Now since the 0.6 is a minus or a negative, I'm going to move this n over to the left side because I'd rather add and keep my variable positive. So the 0.6n cancels out. 0.4n plus 0.6n is just 1n. Minus 9 equals 7. Now your variable's on this side, so you're going to move that minus 9 over to the other side by adding 9 to both sides. To cancel out your 9, 7 plus 9 is 16. So n equals 16. Okay, let's look at the last one. We have 8.7 minus 2.1p equals 4.5p minus 11.1. So again, since this is a negative 2.1, I like to cancel that out and get my keep my variable positive. So I'm going to add 2.1p to 4.5p. That leaves me 8.7. And then 4.5 plus 2.1, just to throw in using the calculator, 4.5 plus 2.1, make sure y'all know how to use it, 6.6p minus 11.1. So You're going to keep your variable here and move the 11.1 since it's minus 11.1. You can't see what I'm doing. We're going to add 11.1 to both sides. So, whoops. Where's my calculator? All right. Come on. So, clear that. 8.7 plus 11.1 is 19.8. And then we're going to have to divide by 6.6. So in my calculator, I'm going to put 19.8 divided by 6.6. You get P equals 3. Or you can write it this way, P equals 3. Now on your homework today, you will get some answers that are decimals. So I just wanted you to be aware of that. It's okay. So let me know if you need any help. You're going to do 10 problems on your own, and you're going to take a picture of your work and attach that to the Canvas slide with the problems. All right, thanks.